Hi everyone, it's John here from Raptor Solutions. If you find today's video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Today we'll look at a feature that many people may not have ever even used, Excel tables. As I'm sure many of you are aware, there are four main components to an Excel file: sheets, rows, columns, and cells. Sometimes visualization of those rows, columns, and cells in a sheet can be challenging, especially with lots of data. Today we'll create an Excel table out of our data to help visualization, but also to provide us with a few additional functional tools. Creating a table is incredibly straightforward. First, select all of the records in your table, top left to bottom right, by clicking in the A1 cell and then holding down the left mouse button and dragging the cursor to the lowest and furthest right cell. In our case, this is column L, row 46. With everything selected, select the Insert menu and then select Table. Because our table has headers, we'll leave the option toggled on for My Table Has Headers and click OK. That's it. You've now created a table. Excel will add a default style to your table, but you can easily change the design of the table by selecting the Table Design menu and choosing or creating a different table style. Styles contain things like odd row colors, even row colors, fonts, fills, and more. If in the future you want to change the style, you don't need to select all of the cells anymore. You simply need to select any cell within the table, choose the Table Design menu, and make your adjustments. Your entire table will be updated. So why would you ever want to create a table out of a group of rows and columns? Well, because it gives you some special features. You'll notice that next to each heading is now a little arrow. That arrow offers you a few features such as sorting the entire table by that column. Select the arrow and then choose the Sort A to Z option. This will sort the entire table by that specific column. You can also use that heading drop-down to isolate which values you'd like to see. So perhaps you want to limit the displayed records to only those with specific text. Just turn off the Select All option and select the record values that you'd like to see. You'll notice that you can also simply type in a value in the search box just above that section to perform a similar function. When a filter has been applied, you'll see a little tick mark and funnel next to the header. To clear the filter, simply select that option and choose the Clear Filter From option. In addition to the specific value filter, there are another group of options such as text filters that allow you to do things such as look for all records whose phone number starts with a specific area code. Just enter that in the Begins With section. This tool is really powerful, as you can see, and also adds more filters to the same selection list if you want as well. Tables expand as your rows increase too, so you no longer have to worry about creating the table because all future rows are connected to the table so long as they adjoin the last row. I hope you found this information helpful. If so, please consider liking and subscribing to our videos.